Hey, what's going on, guys? Josh from Trail Built, and have we got a special spotlight to show you guys today. In fact, I wish you guys were here to see this thing in person. It is a 1986 Jeep CJ7 that's been fully restored to like original condition. So make sure and stay tuned, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button so that way you guys can hold on to the ride with us. Let's check this thing out. So if you're not already familiar with the classic Jeeps, this one is a CJ7. It supersedes the CJ5. They made the wheelbase just a little bit longer, gave it a little bit better ride, plus a little bit more storage room in the interior. And the CJ7s were built from 1976 to 1986 and are an absolute icon to the Jeep world. So super excited to have this thing here. Now this has the 4.2 liter inline 6-cylinder with a 5-speed manual transmission, which is pretty cool as well. Obviously, Jeep still maintains or retains the 7-slot grille, and I love the old CJ7s, how they have just these huge round headlights on here. It's pretty awesome. So I don't know if you guys know this, I don't know if you've watched a lot of our videos before, but I mentioned it a few times that the first vehicle I've ever driven in my life, I think it was like 9 years old or 10 years old, was an old Jeep CJ7. So love seeing this kind of history. But under the engine, we have the inline 6-cylinder. This is the 4.2 liter. I mean, the darn thing still looks pretty darn good condition in here. Old carburetor underneath here, so pretty cool to see. Now for the drivetrain, this has the stock axles in it. The tires are actually 31 by 10.5 on 15-inch wheels, and these are the BFG KOs. So you can find these wheel and tire packages right on our website, trailbuiltoffroad.com. But as you can see, this is the Renegade model. It's got the chrome mirrors, it's got the beige soft top to kind of blend in with the paint. It's got the cool old graphics on it with the orange and the deeper orange pinstripes on the side, which is pretty awesome. And this thing is super clean. This is actually owned by one of the guys that works here. He just picked it up a few weeks ago up in Door County, Wisconsin. So it's pretty cool to have him bring this in so that we can show you guys what the old CJ7s look like. So, and then not to mention the outside looks super awesome, but wait until you guys check out this interior. So check this out. This is super cool. So if you guys haven't been in one of these Jeep CJ7s, it's got the big speedometer right here in the middle of the dash, obviously your voltmeter, oil pressure, and then you have these push-pull levers to control the heating. And well, I don't know if this one's got air conditioning or not, but it's pretty wild. Then you obviously have your manual transmission and still manual transfer case. I don't think you see a whole lot of those anymore. It's got these cool vinyl seats in here, center console in here, lights. I mean, it's pretty cool. It's got the soft top, the beige soft top. It's got the roll cage. These always came with this center roll bar here, which is pretty awesome. The seats just kind of like, you pull the lever on the side and they like push forward like this. So just some cool old nostalgic history sitting right here in front of us. It's pretty wild. So hopefully you guys enjoy the CJ7 to check it out as one of our spotlights. And guys, and remember, if you are looking for a set of wheels, a set of tires, you package them together, you get free mounting, free balancing, plus if you live in the lower 48, we'll ship them to your door for free as well. Not to mention we have many suspension kits available. So make sure and check it out at trailbuiltoffroad.com. Other than that, again, we hope you enjoyed this spotlight on Tony's 1986 CJ7. As always, we appreciate all of you for watching. I'm Josh from Trail Built, and we'll see you guys back again shortly.